Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a progress tracking bar to your PowerPoint presentations using a macro. This is by far the easiest way of distributing the shapes evenly among each slide, without the tedious and manual process of adjusting each shape manually. Ready? Let's get right into it. If we go up to View in the menu bar, followed by Macros, you'll see that I already have an existing macro saved. We'll go ahead and delete this one and start the process over. Let's have a quick look at the sample project with the progress bars removed. We'll begin by copying the code from a text editor of your choice. By the way, I'll leave a link to the code in the video description so you can give it a go yourself. Once we have copied the code from the text editor, go ahead and select View, followed by Macros. Then give your macro a name. You can name your macro any way you want, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be naming it Progress Bar. Once you have given it a name, hit the Create button. This will now open up the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications dialog. You'll need to replace the existing code with the code you just copied from your text editor. Now, there are several adjustments that can be made, but in this video, we'll only be focusing on the position and color of the progress bar. The position is set to a default of 12, which in my opinion will keep the progress bar small enough to be visible, yet not too large to interfere with the design of the project. You can customize the color of the progress bar by changing the RGB code using a color picker of your choice. I've simply opened up the default Google option for demonstration purposes. Once we've closed the macro window, we can again select View, followed by Macros. Select your macro and click Run. This will have populated the progress bars evenly onto each slide. If you would like to add more slides to your project, simply run the macro again to generate new progress bars. By saving the project as a .pptx file, the progress bars will only be available for the existing slides. When adding additional slides, the .pptm file must be used to run the macro again. Here is how to save your project to .pptm. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from my channel. Thanks for watching.